Hey, welcome to a brand new video. So in today's video, I want to go over the actual registration process of the Ultimate Personal Credit Mastery, if you haven't joined yet, as a student, of course. So typically what you would do is you go to prominentwealthgroup.com. The link is in the description, guys, so you can check it out from there. Once you go to prominentwealthgroup.com, you can watch the intro video or simply go straight to the registration page. Now in this situation, what happens is they will ask you to put in a username of your preference and then an email address that you prefer. Okay, when that happens and you complete your registration, you click on register and it'll give you a message here saying please check your email. So we head over to our email address, and sometimes it goes into the junk folder, so please keep an eye on to the junk folder in case you get it there. You'll see here WordPress Prominent Wealth Group username and password. You just double click on that and you'll come across what the info is. So here you go. You can actually reset your password here. So that's what you want. Just click on this and it'll give you option to reset your password. So let's go there. So we'll choose a new password. Okay, so let's say reset our password. Good. Now we're done. Now we can log in. I think I put this. Now we're logged in. Okay, once we're logged in, what we have is the opportunity to choose the courses we want. So we go to the course list. Of course, right now we just have the Upcm, the Ultimate Personal Credit Mastery. We go there and you go over the curriculum, what we're going to be teaching you, and you essentially just click on the buy this course. And by the way, guys, as we're adding more courses, because I have a lot of material that I want to unload from all the years of experience knowledge that I have, you're going to have asset protection, you're going to have business mastery, you're going to have real estate mastery, all these type of things. And we're talking people who are experienced in this game, as mentors who have taught me this information. I'm going to give you avant-garde strategies and all these type of courses that you will never hear anywhere else, right? But to start, of course, it all starts with your personal credit. So you just click on buy this course and you simply go through the registration process, pay. Once you're done with that, once you complete this, you can actually go straight to the actual course itself, where you go to your student portal and you'll have my courses here and it'll be listed here once you're enrolled. Okay, and pretty much that's it, guys. That's how the registration process works for the Ultimate Personal Credit Mastery, and of course the website to learn. See you next time.